Welcome to my channel Calculus. Think beyond numbers. Today we'll be solving practice set 3.3, which is the last exercise from the chapter Indices and Cube Root, grade 8 SSC board. I would like to request you all, before watching this video, please watch a video which I have uploaded before this, which will teach you the basics for this practice set. So let's begin. Here the question says that we have to find the cube root of the following number. Okay, so the first question is you have to find cube root of 8000. It's pretty simple if you know the rules. Just see the last digit. We are going to do the prime factorization method here. Just see the last digit. If it is 02468 in the ones place, we will be using 2 times table. So 2 4s are 8. I am taking only one digit. In the start you can take one digit, two digit, but after that you have to take only one digit. How? You'll understand when I do the sums further. Now I can take only one digit. So 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 zeros are 0. Now again if you see there's 0 at last, so again you can use 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 zeros are 0. Again if you see there's 0 at last, 2 ones are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, and 2 zeros are 0. Again there is 0, so I can use 2 table. Now here I can use 2 digits together. Starting I can use 2 digits together or 3, but after that it's only 1. 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Again if you see there's 0, so I can use 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 times table does not have 5, so I did 2 2s are 4. So from the 5, 1 is left which goes here. So it's 2 5s are 10 and 2 zeros are 0. Here again if you see the 0 at last, so 2 1s are 2, 5 doesn't come, so I'll take 2 2s are 4, 1 left goes here, 2 5s are 10. Now if you look at the last digit, it's 5. So 2 table will not go in 2 times table, it will go in 5 times table. We can use the test of divisibility by 5. If there is 0 or 5 in the ones place, we can use 5 times table. So 5 in 5 times table you will not have 12, but I can take 5 2s are 10, 11 12, 2 left goes here, 5 5s are 25 because this is 25. Again 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, now this is how you found the cube root using prime factorization method. Now next what you will do, you will write the number 8000 and you will write all these that side. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 2, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times 2 and 3 times 5. So I'll just write it here. Since it is cube roots, we will be taking partners of 3. So out of the 3 2s I take 1 2, out of the 3 2s I take 1 2, and out of the 5 5s I take 1 5. So it's 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So cube root of 8000 is 20. I hope the first sum was easy. Now let's do the second one. If you see the second sum, it's 729. Just look at the last digit here. It is 9 and 9 doesn't goes in 2 times table. So test of divisibility of 2 doesn't works here. So we can check for 3 now. Just add all the digits for 3. 7 plus 2 is 9 and 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 goes in 3 times table. That's why I will be using 3 times table here. So 3 2s is 6 because 7 doesn't comes. 1 left goes to the next number. It's 3 4s are 12 and 3 3s are 9. Again, if you see the last digit, it's 3. So it will not go in 2 times table. Let's check for 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. So it will go in 3 times table. 3, I can take together two numbers at the start only. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. Again, 8 plus 1 is 9. So again 3 times table. 3 times table, 8 doesn't come. So I can take a smaller number, that is 3 2s are 6. 7 8 goes here. 3 7s are 21. 7 plus 2 is 9, goes in 3 times table. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now I'll copy this here. So it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 times 3. So out of the 3 I take 1. Out of the 3 I take 1. Now why do I make partners of 3? Because it's cube roots. So 3 3s are 9. Hence cube root of 729 is 9. Let's do the third sum, 343. Now if you look at the number 343, look at the last digit. It's 3. So it doesn't goes in 2 times table. So let's check for 3 now. For 3 times table if it goes there. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 doesn't comes in 3 times table. So this will also not go in. This number will not go in 3 times table. For test of divisibility of 4, you check the last 2 digits. The last 2 digits is the last 2 number, in fact, is 43. And 43, does it come in 4 times table? No. So then this number doesn't goes in 4 times table also. For 5 times table, you see that if the last 2 numbers should be either 0, the last digit should be either 0 or 5. If you look at this number, the last digit is 3. So that means this will also not go in 5 times table. For test of divisibility of 6, the number should go in 2 times table as well as 3 times table. Only then it is possible. But here it is not even going in 2 nor 3. So this number doesn't goes in 6 also. So now let's check for 7. For 7, you take the number 343. The last digit, you multiply it by 2. So 3 2s would be 6. Now whatever answer you got, you subtract it from the remaining digits. So 34 minus 6, if you do, your answer would be 28. And 28 comes in 7 times table. And that's the reason this number is going in 7th table. So we are going to use 7 times table for this. So 7. 7th table, 34 doesn't come. So I can say that 7 4s is 28. 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 6 left goes here. 7 9s are 63. Again 49 comes in 7 times table. 7 7s is 49 and 7 1s is 7. So I'll write all these here, 7 into 7 into 7, and you will take one of it. So cube root of 343 is nothing but 7. Let's do the next one, the fourth sum, negative 512. Here if you see the last digit is 2, so I can take 2 times table. It's 2 2s are 4, I'll take single digit. 1 left goes here, 2 5s are 10. Again 1 left goes here, 2 6s are 12. If you see the last digit is 6, I can use 2 times table. 2 1s are 2. Here 2 2s are 4. 1 left, 2 8s are 16. Last digit is 8. Again 2 times table. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 8. Last digit 4. So 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. Last digit is 2 again. So 2 times table. 2 1s are 2. 1 left. 2 6s are 12. Last digit is 6. Again 2 table. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So I'll count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 9 times 2. Partners of 3, 1, 2 and 3. So I'll take 1 out of this, 1 out of this and 1 out of this. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it's negative 512. So my answer would be negative 8. The next number is negative 2744. Again, if you see here, the last number, the last digit has 4. So I can use 2 times table here. So 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6, 7 doesn't come. So 1 goes here. 2 7s are 14 and 2 2s are 4. I can take two numbers together only at the start. 2 6s are 12. 1 left. 2 8s are 16. And 2 6s are 12. Again there's 6 at last. I can use 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. Now remember, we did one sum with 343 and we already know now that 343 goes in 7 times table. We already did the check, so I will not do it again. 7 4s are 28. 6 balance, it goes here. 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49 and 7 1s are 7. So I can say that 2744 is equals to 3 times 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7 into 7. Out of the 3 I take 1. Out of the 3 I take 1. So 2 7s is 14. So cube root of negative 2744 is negative 14. Because there's a negative here, so I put the negative here. Let's do the last sum for question 1. It's 32,768. If you look at the last digit, it's 8, so I can use 2 times table. 2 1s are 2. 1 left goes here. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 1 goes here. 2 8s are 16. And 2 4s are 8. I can take two numbers at the start. So 2 8s are 16. Here 2 1s are 2. 1 left. 2 9s are 18. And 2 2s are 4. Here 2 4s are 8. Now remember, here there is only 1. You will think that, okay, let me take these two numbers together, but never do that mistake. Only starting you can take 2 numbers, 3 numbers together, but after that, whatever the case, you have to take only one number at a time. So even if in 2 table 1 doesn't goes, we can write 2 zeros are 0. This one goes here. It's 2 9s are 18. 1 comes here. 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 2 zeros are 0. 2 4s are 8, 1 goes here, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. I hope you know why am I using 2 times table, because here at the end there is only even numbers, that is 0 to 4 6 8, that's why. 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. There's 2 again, 2 2s are 4, 1 goes here, 2 5s are 10, 1 comes here, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Again there is 8. So I can use 2 times table. 2 6 are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2, 1 left. 2 6 are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. And 2 1s are 2. So overall how many we have taken 2's? Let's count. Okay, so it's 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 times I have taken 2. So here now I am going to write 15 times 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. I'll make partners of 3, 1, partners of 3, partners of 3, partners of 3 and partners of 3. So 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here, 1 from here and 1 from here. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16 and 16 twos is 32. So my answer is 32. Cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8 is equals to 32. I hope you have got this sum. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel.